Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to copy a link to a video from YouTube. It can be a video on your channel or any other channel. There's no difference. Watch this. To do this, you go to YouTube and find the video we want. Once you've selected the video you want, you click on the three dots next to the video, and you click on Share. Now you click on Copy Link. You can also copy link if you click on it. Pause it, and then click on the Share button. As you can see, to copy a link to a video, there are no special problems. It takes a couple of clicks. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.